Hey guys, all right, who we got in today? Uh, just drop me a little thumbs up or a hey, just so I know who's in. Gold's looking tasty right now. I think we're going to get a setup here as we're just going to wait for the hour candles close and then orders will be going in. So we'll be looking at getting long above this high here on the hourly. There's no major news today. Hey Rich, how you doing, buddy? So I'm just going to get ready. So high of the candle is 2651.91. So we're going at 2652.05. 2652 point. I'll make the amendments in a second. So this is what I'm doing, guys. Now, because so 2652.07 is the buy stop. I've put it in now. I'm I'm about a minute early. Sorry, a minute and a half early. We're on 12:58. So I'm going to leave the order in. And oh, hold on. I don't want to get triggered before the candle closes. So I'm going to use a momentum entry here, and the reason for that is we've got comics opening soon. So I won't use momentum entries through the London session. Um, but I will around 1 o'clock for US Open and comics to open. Hold on, guys. I may just need to cancel this order quickly because I don't. Let me just. I'm going to cancel the order and I'll re-put it back in a second. I just don't want to get triggered on. So let me bring up the chart so you can see what I'm doing. Let me change screen. So no, wrong one. There we go. So just wait for this candle to close, and then we're gonna hit open trade. Okay, orders in, guys. So orders there. Partial TP. Oops. Let's add another one. Okay, so this is going to be, hey Yotko, how you doing, buddy? Got order placed on gold, momentum entry as it's 1 o'clock, looking for price to take out the highs, 10 pips and 20 pips T1 and T2. As soon as it triggers, guys, I'll be looking for a quick TP here. I'm going to bring stops up quickly as well. So it's a quiet day today for views. Did I get triggered? No, not yet. Okay, so there we go. Let's bring that up. So we're in, we're going. So we are like, don't need this anymore. So who else is in? So we've got a live trading day tomorrow with some members. Looking forward to seeing you tomorrow in London. We'll see what happens. We've had a good day today, so I'm happy to risk a bit of today's profits on this nice setup. The only thing that is, I would say, a little bit uh, not worrying, but it's moved quite aggressively since the lows down here. So we took this trade, um, but I am going to be aggressive with my, hey Paolo. So if it breaks its own low, I'm going to close half. So this is going to be very quick. Okay, so closed half. In fact, I'm going to, so I'm going to re-put the order back in. I'm going to close it all, guys. I was expecting that to, I've closed it all. I've got rid of it quickly. I'm going to replace the order. So we're going to see how this one moves because in theory, it should have just gone, um, but it didn't. So I've just taken let's have a look. So we just, there was a 790 quid. Uh, we just binned there, but we're up 855 on the day. So I still like the trade, but I wanted to see it go initially, and it didn't do that. So what I like to do is any time where the market doesn't move the way that I want it, I'm going to kill it quickly. So we get rid of those trades that don't turn into profit quickly. Um, we'll give it a second opportunity because look, if I'm just going to go back to trading view because I prefer it for analysis. No, not that one. Not that one. Not that one. There we go. Okay, so look, what happened? We've seen the market break out of this structure here. We had nice strong close. Like I said, the only thing that I don't like about this is that the market moved from 26.28. It's gone $20 in a straight line. But the setup's still valid. The setup's still valid until we break a low. Now, if we come back down and we close, let's say below here, then we're going to get a setup for a false break. So you can see buys above 26.49.5, or we've got a false break price area also. So we have to remember that we can trade a false break whenever we have clear candle space to trade into. But no one knows where a false break is going to come into play. Anyone that says they do, they're lying. They're full of nonsense. You don't know until after the event, which is why you need a set of rules that will allow you to trade accordingly. So ours in this instance was we got a close above. We're coming into London Open, US Open. We've got comics coming, and I wanted to trade an impulse entry, meaning or momentum entry. The market's moving. We've got comics opening. I'm wanting to see the market continue in the direction that it's moved. But my rule for exit, because we didn't wick down first, meaning creating a bottom wick, and we just broke the high and got triggered in. I said that if we break our own low, I'm just going to close the trade. Because in theory, if we've just gone straight up, buyers are in control, we should just keep going. There was no grab for liquidity to then push the market higher. So now what we've seen is the market's come up, it literally just triggered us in, it's come back down. Now the question is, do we stay and hold above this support level, or do we come back down and close below it? So the next decision we make is, if we are going to trade the false break, we need to see a 30-minute bearish close, and we need to see it close below this level. If we see it close below the hey Jez, how you doing? If we see it close bearish and below the level, then we can look to sell it. However, the market is still bullish, the market is still to the upside, and we still remain above this support level. So on the basis that we didn't break the previous 30-minute low, I'm happy to give this trade a second opportunity, meaning we're buying above the breaker highs, and we're looking to continue in the direction of the general market trend for today, which is to the upside. So that's what we're doing. We've got a second order in place. Like I said, I just took a very quick loss on gold there, but happy to trade with momentum. And we're looking for the next opportunity. Now, I know some of you might say, well, if the trade goes in the direction and you go on to hit your targets, wouldn't you have been better to leave the trade on and not close it out? Well, hindsight is a wonderful thing. You never know that the market is going to continue. If I knew that the market was going to continue and break this high and go up to, of course, I'd leave the trade on. I wouldn't take a loss. But you don't know that, which is why when you see price break a low or break a high, it should then give you an instruction or a command to either close some of your position or close all of it, depending on how aggressive you want to be with risk management. And that's it. It's simple, right? Price tells us what the market's doing, what the participants are doing, and we use that as our guideline and our parameters on how to manage trades. It's simple. Yeah, takes all the emotion out of it. It's like, well, shall I close it or shan't I close it? Well, if you're buying and it breaks the previous candle's low, close it all or close half or close 80%, whatever your rules are. So this is how to get rid of emotions in trading. If you want to get rid of your emotions, and you're about 30 seconds behind. Uh, hey Anna, I'm not sure why that is. I know there was a little bit of a lag last week. Let me have a look. Um, delay when streaming on YouTube. Uh, uh, from the stream dashboard, select your latency. Well, no. Sorry, Richard, I'm not. Right, I'll have to try and establish why or if there's anything that can be done about that. I'm not sure there will be. The only other thing we can do. uh, so I just see some private chat in the members group. Everyone's saying they're behind, and one of the members has just said they're 20 seconds in front. Love it. So orders long above. In fact, let's just bring the screen back. Oh, wrong one. There we go. So order is in above the highs over here. So apparently streaming could be. It's not my internet connection because I've got mega fast internet. Uh, right. Sorry guys, I'm just having a quick look on latency issues. I'm not sure if there's a solution to this, but as I said, we have super fast internet here. So let's just do that. I just need to bring my stop for this one underneath the candle low. All right, there we go. So potential for second opportunity here. We'll see how this one moves. So what time is it? 12 minutes past 1. So we've got 18 minutes until comics open. So let's second time. Let's see if we have a bit more luck second time round. Setups there. Have to trade what we see. Will it be 2 for 2? Or will we get 1 win, 1 loss? Rules are rules, guys. We just stick to it and adhere to it. Let's have a look. So just looking at the time frames, we've got our stop underneath the candle low. So in theory now the market's wicked down, grabbed liquidity and broken the highs. We should see this push up, but markets are random. We can only go on and gauge the market by what we see on price. We can't do anything different. So TP1's 10 pips will be hitting break even as price gets there, or should price get there. Let's have a look. Any questions coming in? No more questions as of yet. So we are triggered. We are live on gold. We do have clear candle space to the left-hand side. Well, 15 minutes. See if we can get a little bit more lift off with COMEX. We know we've got a 90 pip range. So if I just zoom across here, let's put this into the highs because we're going to scale out at T1, T2. In fact, I'm just going to adjust T2 a little bit. I'm going to take it up into this area. Just going to see if we can let it run a little bit further. It's going to be 26 pips instead of 20 pips for T2. So pushed it slightly higher. we can see we've got nice clear candle space to work in, but we've got to see the market move. So now we're just in the hands of the gods. What cards will we get dealt? Are we going to get dealt a decent hand, or is the market going to turn against us and we draw a poor hand? Now the question is, when you do get drawn a poor hand, how do you manage it? So as you saw, I cancelled the trade earlier. Well, not cancelled it, closed it because the market broke its own low. So if you look at this, as this candle broke the highs previously, then it broke the lows, I killed my trade here. It dropped another, what, 18, 19 points after my first entry. So I basically saved myself about another £1,000 of drawdown here by closing it. Okay, if I'd have left it open, I'd have still been fine and in the positive now. But you don't know that. So down here, I would have been seeing a £2,000 plus negative drawdown, which, you know, as a trader, the one thing you don't like to see is negative. So if you can kill them quickly, do it. You can always give the trade a second opportunity. So what we're looking at now is market came down, respected the previous candle's low, and broke the highs. So based on our rules and our analysis, we would expect this market to continue higher. Um, we can't do anything else. We can just trade what we see. 14 minutes for comics. Anyone trading anything else? I'm just gonna have a quick look, see what's going on. Nasdaq, nothing. Potentially something on pound yen. Well, gold. What are you doing to me? Where's these comics traders? Let's push the price up right now. How can I put the spread on my screen as you have? Uh, I'm not sure, Anna. I don't know how I did it, to be fair. Probably have a look in. I'll 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 have a little Google and see. See, I'm not sure. Well, the only downside to no news in a day is it can sometimes mean flat days. But with all the geopolitical tensions that are happening globally right now, we have enough news. There you go, Jody. See, Jody knows his ways around MetaTrader. So, what time are you going to be down tomorrow, Anna? Jody, what time are you going to be there? Jez, are you coming down? Oh, sorry, guys. Jody. All right, what we got? 11 minutes, and we're trying. It's flirting with our entry prices. Flirts and then drops back. From King's Cross, it's not too far. I know it'd probably take you maybe 25 minutes, 30 minutes, I reckon. Right. So final 10 minutes before COMEX opens. So this is where I would like to see a little bit of a surge in gold. Considering the current market direction is to the upside, I would like to see it happen anytime right now. Um, but like I said, we're stuck. We're stuck. We can't control that. The only thing we can control is our risk management. Uh, oh Christ, yeah. Sorry, Jez. We'll see you next time, buddy. So I think Leon said he's going to call in, say hello. This has been okay. So if you're not in this trade, guys, then a buy stop above the high of the 15-minute candle, the bullish candle, looks good. Nice big engulfing candle. Next candle's wicking down, potentially to create liquidity. By the break of the high, we should see this market spike to the upside. So if you're not in it, buys above the high of this bullish candle look really good. So remember, guys, what I'm talking about and what I'm doing is not financial advice. It is just what I do on a daily basis. So it's how I trade. It's how I potentially profit from the market or potentially lose in the market. But yeah, it's not financial advice. It's just me trading. It's my perspective on the market. It's how I read price, and it's what I do. So. Uh, Today, yeah, it's been a profitable day. It was considerably more profitable until about 70 minutes ago, 20 minutes ago, sorry. Uh, but that was active trade management. We were very aggressive in getting long on gold, and I killed it quickly to protect capital, and then gave the trade a second opportunity. So we're now in the trade again. So I wish there was a way we could eliminate the delay, but it looks like it's quite common from what I've seen on. I was just reading on Google then about delays and latency. Sounds like it's very common, especially around peak traffic times, which obviously now 1 o'clock, 1:30. You've got US coming into play. Uh, More people streaming, more people online. It's going to create a backlog. So I do apologize, but there is no way around getting rid of the latency, whether it's 10 seconds, 5 seconds, or 20 seconds that some of you may say you are getting. Okay, so what am I going to do? So I'm going to use the 70% rule because this is late. The market has moved significantly. Like I said earlier, it's moved like 20 odd dollars in a straight line. So what is the 70% rule? The 70% rule just means that if the market goes 70% to my target, I will move my stop loss to break even. Now, there's times where I like to use this more than others. So one would be if it's an add-in trade, and the other one would be if the market has moved considerably in a direction. And in this case, the market's moved $20 in a straight line. and didn't quite get there. There we go. So we've moved 77 pips. So very close to our 10 pip target. So now no matter what happens, guys, we can't lose money. So we can't lose money. Oh, that was very, very close to TP and then just reversed. Okay, so taken out at break even. So now you will see if that was a smart maneuver or not. So we've come out break even. Um, only time will tell. So we'll see what happens with the 30-minute close. I think I'm gonna stay away from gold now because oh, Rich, you got your TP1. Nice, nice. I missed mine by about a pip. Right, let's have a look. Okay, now we've done on that one. I'm just gonna come back to the analysis charts. So we're done on here. So gold, I'm done for the day. Okay, Nasdaq. There could be a short underneath it, but we're gonna wait for the hourly to close. If 30-minute closes below here, there's an option. But saying that, if gold, no. Uh, well done, Anna. No, so we're not going to get a false break here just because we would need to wait for another candle and a bearish close. We could. How long we got? 3 minutes. If we can close, 2 minutes, guys. If we can close below here, push up, we can sell gold for the false break. Well done, Gandalf. Traded pound yen on the 15 minutes for 10 pips profit. Look at these members keeping all their trades to themselves and just sharing the profits. Okay, okay, here we go. We're gonna get a short on gold. Let's wait 1 minute. Uh, duh, 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 duh. So let's just wait for the candle to close. So we're just gonna wait for this one to close, guys. Got bearish candle closing direction. So what's the low? 30, 38. So Okay. Okay, so orders in partial TP. Let's set. Okay, T1. Sorry guys, that was quick. T1. Did you get it, guys? That was really quick. You're going to be on the delay, so you won't have got it. Nice one, Rich. Well done. Quick movement. Well done, guys. Getting ready for T2. Get ready for T2. Here we come. T2. Right, let's trail. T2. Time to milk some cash here, guys. So we're back up to 1200 for the day. All right, at 300, we'll close another half. There we go, another half done. Let's lock in a bit more. Right, let's just let it run. Guys, you can have a direction, you can have a bias, but if the market changes, then just change your perspective quickly. There we go. I'll take another half at 50 pips, and right, I'm just letting it run now. So we're back up to 1600 for the day. T3 done. Let's just bring some. Let's just. I don't care. 67 pips. I'm just bringing the TP. I'm just bringing the stop loss down, guys. Don't care what's happening now. 70 pips. 80 pips. Who's milking it, guys? Who's milking it? Let's just bring it down. And there we go. Done. Happy days. Happy days, guys. Yeah. Well done, team. Well done, team. 50 for you. Superb work. Superb work. Right. Okay, guys. Show some love on the stream now, guys. Show some love. I want to see some hearts. I want to see some thumbs up. I want to see who's made some pips. Who's made pips? Who has made some bloody pips today, guys? Oops, wrong one. All right. Yes, come on, guys. I want to see that mortgage fund, that G63 fund. Yes, come on, keep pumping, keep pumping. All right, so tomorrow we have a live trading day. We have a live trading day in London. If anyone that is here right now would like to attend some live trading days, drop me an email and I can send some details. Predominantly, it is well done, Rich. Predominantly, it's for members, but if you would like to attend a one-off before making a commitment to join my team, then I'd love to see you and whoever your friends coming along. Obviously, there is a charge to join these live trading days, but if you want to come along, just drop an email, I'll send you the details, and I look forward to seeing you. I'm not going to do the morning stream tomorrow. Adam will be doing the morning stream tomorrow because I will be traveling. Not that I've got far to travel, but I will be traveling and setting up. Okay. Um, so Adam's going to do the morning stream tomorrow. I will be There'll be no live stream tomorrow afternoon because I'm going to be in there with everyone else. Jody, 60 pips. Awesome, buddy. Well done. Well done. Um, no, listen, it's not thank you that listen, we have a strategy, right, guys? We apply the principles every day. We do the same things. But if the market, look, just let's just go back to it. Look what happened. The market broke and closed above. We went with an impulse buy above the highs because we've got clear candle space to the left-hand side. But I said, if we're going to sell this, we need to see a candle close in the direction that we want to go, which is short, and we need to see it close back below this price point that I had highlighted. Next candle pushed up. We sold underneath the low. We just took it out of the market and look where it's basically stopped, which was this old previous area here. Support. So well done, team. Okay. So guys, I don't think, I mean, look, we can stay on now, but I don't think there's any point really because we've made our pips. We don't need to tempt fate. We don't need to jump in with any more trades. All I would say is shut your screens now, stop trading, and give the live stream some more thumbs up. Okay, so next live stream, guys, is going to be 1 o'clock on a Thursday, this Thursday. So look, like I said, I don't believe in hanging around because I don't want you to get into the habit of over trading. Literally, you make your cash, close the screen, come back tomorrow. Yeah, so on that note, guys, I'm done. I'm not placing any more trades today. It's 1:30. We've done well in the London session. We've done great in the US session. It's time to go and do other things, right? Guys, have a great time. I'll see members tomorrow for the live trading day, and everyone else that's on here, I'll see you either at 7 a.m. on Thursday or for the US Open on YouTube at 1 p.m. on Thursday. All right, guys, have a good one. Take care.